Okay, let's go and try to connect to the real server I want to show you in this tutorial. So do it. Okay, as you can see, the correct work of this client show the remote desktop and not the image, the previous image I showed you about the error. So I can move the mouse, not move perfectly as I have the mouse controller fully controlled, but the pointer only when I made a left click, the mouse on remote controller move with me, yes, to the client mouse. And there is algorithm under that take the position and the size of image resides and yes, calculate the right position of the mouse for the desktop. So yes, you have to considering this. And not only that, because my remote controlling, it's able to made a right click, not only left click. For example, if you press C3L, you can have right click. Yes, I'm showing you now. And this can be useful, and I take this idea from Macintosh, because Macintosh have this particular skill to simulate the right click of the mouse using CTRL. And in general, I think this is good, but you have to remember that this server it's not made for keyboard. So for get this, I made this trick. Yes, I have Bluetooth keyboard connected, and I'm using this Bluetooth keyboard on my location now. In this computer, I have the two keyboards, one for control this computer and write, for example, here, and another keyboard that it's Bluetooth keyboard connected for this server. It's possible make TCP connection also for send request about the keyboard, the remote keyboard to control, but in my case it will not useful. It's not useful because I don't have need to have this amount of traffic, and I can use a simple Bluetooth keyboard. But you can make more rich my algorithm, and if you want and if you have need, you can add your preference to my program.